It's still dangerous, but Hurricane Dorian has lost a little strength as it heads north. The wind and the rain, though, still causing power outages and flooding in coastal areas. This is video from our sister station in Norfolk, and you can see the wind picking up. The rain's been picking up overnight and into this morning. Some parts of Virginia Beach have been evacuated ahead of the storm. And our complete coverage continues for you this morning.
We have crews all over tracking Dorian. Tom Patton is here in the Weather Center keeping an eye on the storm. Kristen is in the traffic center. Shannon Lilly is out in Virginia Beach. And Jake Burns is live in the Outer Banks where they're feeling major effects from Dorian right now.
But first, let's go out to our Nikki-Dee. She's forecasting live this morning from Deltaville. Hi, Nikki-Dee.
Hey, good morning. Yes, I'm out in Deltaville, the Middle Peninsula, particularly if you're familiar with the area. It is on Stingray Point. The Chesapeake is right behind me, and these waves are breaking and whitecapping as they continue to move in. They continue to increase in strength. In fact, I was talking to some friends a few minutes ago, and we were discussing about even some of these piers. They took up every few boards just to make sure the piers stayed in place because these waves and the wind are not messing around. Hurricane Dorian did make landfall a short time ago in Morehead City and is anticipated to continue to skirt along the east side of the U.S. and end up going right on top of the Outer Banks. Now, that's quite the distance from here, but you can hear the wind, and we are feeling the wind as well as seeing the rain pushing across the area with these outer bands. These winds will be gusting throughout the day in the northern neck Middle Peninsula, where we do have that tropical storm warning in place because it is going to be so gusty from start to finish. Now, inland, over in Richmond, Dinwiddie, Hanover, Henrico, y'all are still going to be dealing with gusty winds, but more so you go ahead into Charlottesville, the less gusts will be taking place. Obviously, you can hear in my mic that these gusts are very frequent, and they're coming around every 45 seconds or so. But Robin Reba, we'll have the breakdown coming up in just a few minutes.
Well, every time we check in with Nikki-Dee, you just hear that wind more and more. All right, thanks, Nikki-Dee.
Okay, she's there in Deltaville.